What the? Get out of the yard, dude!
We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too. That's
whoa! As you can see, my boy up here is on the mini bike. You got a branch! It's very rare I see the mini bike being ridden. Most of the time I'm the one riding it. I tell you this, it's a lot. It's a lot louder from behind. That's what she said. And it is when you're actually sitting on it. What's that, Dad? Yeah, well, he is gonna blow my engine up. Listen to it. It can't handle it. Oh, that was loud. What's that, Dad? Oh my God. That thing is so loud. Who would even want their mini bike that loud? Literally, if I don't talk about anything else, this video is just gonna be me yelling it's so loud over and over again. Alright guys, so I wasn't gonna record today. I was gonna go to class, but the weather is just beautiful. I left a little bit of a skid mark. It's so loud! What the? Get out of the yard, dude! Damn, that mini bike's got some get up and go too. What the hell? Hey! Someone's doing fireworks! Let's go watch! Hey! 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 You're gonna blow my motor up! Take it easy for a bit! Take it slow, there's kids up here! What's up? This kid, dude, I don't know. This is the most fun I've had in a while. Turn left up here. He's gonna get the cops called, and he missed the turn. What the hell? No way in hell this doesn't turn into a Moto Madness Bikers versus Cops video. Sorry. Dude, you better, no, let's take it slow for a bit, man. You're gonna get the cops called. Man, I haven't been on this bike in a while. Hey, if a cop rolled up, what would you do? Would you run? On that thing? What? You run on foot? No way! No! Hey, I'd run on foot! Okay, let's do it! Walk it by, walk it by. Yeah, this is a pretty cool temple, dude. Yeah, well, I mean, think about it like churches are. Churches are in neighborhoods, so why can't a temple, you know?
It looks really new.
Dude, that's 2 entrances. New and Nam. Is that for like male or female? Huh. It looks like it's pretty new. Hey.
Me, blame me, blame me, blame me.
Like, is it Buddhism?
No, I don't think so. Clickbait. Drops 1,000-pound Harley.
Sticker bomb.
Huh?
Just say this is a Supreme Court.
Dude, people would get so mad at me. Good idea. Good looking out. Yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere. See those fields? There's wheat fields and corn fields over there. It's pretty wild. Here, I'll lead. Oh, that's your friend. That's your friend. He got a skateboard. I'm always giving him crap for skateboarding, dude. There's your little bit of irresponsibility. Did I say that right? Irresponsibility for the video. There we go. Irresponsibility. But we'll hit it up. It's weird, dude. This is a weird transition. Oh yeah, guys. See, this is a real bike right here. People running up here.